Hey, this is Kara with DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to be talking about Bedlam Aerosol Insecticide. Bedlam is a contact kill and also a residual insecticide that comes in a ready-to-use aerosol can and is commonly used for many pests, but mainly used for bed bug control. Bedlam aerosol is formulated to kill bed bugs on carpet, wood, and ceramic surfaces for up to 2 weeks. It also greatly reduces the number of bed bug eggs that will hatch, greatly cutting down on any reinfestation. To use Bedlam Aerosol Insecticide, simply shake the can, then remove the top. Insert the included straw into the nozzle and the can is ready to be sprayed. Spray from 8 to 10 inches away from where you intend to apply the insecticide and do not spray to the point of drip or runoff. For bed bug treatments, you want to focus around the cracks and crevices of the infested room. Spray along baseboards, floorboards, around windows, doors, inside dressers, cracks and crevices of nightstands, and the cracks and crevices behind headboards, picture frames, along drapes, and other carpeted edges. Bedlam aerosol can also be used on upholstered furniture, following the tufts and folds and seams of any cushions, backing, and undersides of the furniture. You can also use Bedlam in luggage for travel purposes. When using Bedlam on mattresses and box springs, you will only be spraying the tufts, folds, and seams of the mattress and box spring areas. Do not apply Bedlam to any bedding or sheets. After Bedlam is applied, bed bugs will be killed on contact starting with just a few hours. Bedlam is safe to use as directed around pets. It is not to be used directly on your pet for any reason. To treat for fleas and ticks, you will focus on pet bedding areas, sleeping quarters, and areas where your pet rests the most. Bedlam is labeled for use in hospitals, schools, offices, hotels, apartments, kennels, and homes, as it is water-based and non-irritating, but precautions should be taken before use. Bedlam will not stain any water-safe fabrics or surfaces, but a spot test is recommended if you are unsure of your fabric type. Before using Bedlam, anyone not doing the application should be removed from the room. This includes children and pets. Once the application has had time to dry, typically 1 to 2 hours, children and pets are allowed to re-enter the room safely. Please refer to the Bedlam Aerosol Insecticide label for specifics on application sites, where it can be used and where it cannot be used. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.